Today we had our 25th anniversary celebration, and it was a great event with all our partners who have supported us over the last 25 years joining in, the employees who have served us for more than 20 years.
I'm very proud to be here today and celebrate 25 years of EMUGE-FRANKEN India. It's been successful 25 years and we see more potential in the future because India is a strong and developing country, and we will be proud to share our tools and make industry in India even stronger.
We started in 2000 here in India to manufacture our taps. In those days, we were using conventional machines for manufacturing our thread grinding operation. And over the years, we have improved our machine park. We have sent CNC machine, and now we have increased our productivity in India significantly.
On behalf of VDMA, we would like to congratulate Mr. Santosh Ulal and his team, as well as the EMUGE-FRANKEN family members who are here.